We have all been there. Windows 11 forces an update, your laptop restarts, and suddenly, your audio is dead, your Wi-Fi is missing, or your entire system is lagging. Before you panic or completely reinstall your OS, you need to know about these 5 hidden Windows 11 tools designed to fix broken updates instantly. Most users don't realize Microsoft actually buried built-in repair tools deep inside Windows 11 to handle these exact scenarios. Today, I am walking you through the exact 5 steps to diagnose and repair your system without downloading any sketchy third-party software. Tool number 1 is your first line of defense. Windows 11 moved the troubleshooter menu, making it harder to find. Go to Settings, click on System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This automated tool actively scans for stalled downloads, corrupted registry keys, and restarts the update services in the background. It solves the majority of minor update glitches in about 2 minutes. What if you don't even know which update broke your PC? Enter tool number 2, the Reliability Monitor. Just type Reliability History into your Windows 11 search bar. This tool gives you a day-by-day graph of your system's stability. If your laptop started crashing on Tuesday, just click Tuesday's column. It will show you the exact error codes and app crashes tied to that day's update, taking all the guesswork out of troubleshooting. If an update is stuck in an endless download loop, your cache is likely corrupted. Tool number 3 is manually wiping the software distribution folder. First, open the Run dialog, type services.msc, find the Windows Update service, right-click, and hit Stop. Next, go to your C drive, open the Windows folder, and find Software Distribution. Delete everything inside this directory. These are just temporary update files, so it is completely safe. Go back to the Services window, restart the Windows Update service, and you have a completely clean slate. Sometimes a bad update corrupts core OS files. Tool number 4, fixes that automatically. Right. Click your Start button and open Terminal Admin. This is Windows 11's modern tabbed replacement for the old command prompt. Type sfc/scannow and hit Enter. The system file checker will scan your entire hard drive for broken Windows components and automatically replace them with fresh copies directly from Microsoft. If all else fails, you need tool number 5, the rollback. Windows 11 makes it incredibly easy to undo a bad patch. Go to Settings, click Windows Update, select Update History, and scroll to the very bottom to find Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent update that matches when your problem started, and click Uninstall. This will revert your system to exactly how it was before the update broke it. Updates shouldn't ruin your workflow. If one of these tools saved your PC today, hit that like button. And if you're looking for more ways to optimize your setup, check out my video on clearing your Windows 11 cache for a massive speed boost right here. See you in the next one.